Fu is a leading feminine hygiene product manufacturer in China with 5 modern production lines. Main products are Yoni oil, Yoni soap, Yoni wash, menstrual cup, and so on. Fu have passed ISO 13485 production and ISO 9001 certified. From material to finish production, we manufacture menstrual cups in strict accordance with ISO 13485 Quality Management System for Medical Devices. Our products has passed CE certification. Completely certificates support our menstrual cup in a good quality. We promise to offer customers good quality products. Fu has 180 employees with R&D, design, production, quality control, marketing, after-sales, logistics, and management departments. Each department is responsible for its own work and cooperates with each other. We are united in our aim to bring professional service and high-quality products to our customers. We consider every customer as our partner and more as a friend. With our joint efforts, nowadays, menstrual cups have been familiar and used by more women all over the world. We uphold the principle of being attentive and responsible, with the basic concept of providing good service and superior quality products, and the goal of helping our customers to build their own brands and achieve business success. Welcome the customers from all over the world to visit our factory for friendly cooperation and mutual benefit. We are always here waiting for you.
Is a leading manufacturer of menstrual cups in China with 5 modern production lines and FDA-registered equipment. We use 100% medical-grade silicone to produce menstrual cups. We provide convenient, cost-effective, one-stop OEM and ODM services.